I have this root beer right here, and I wanna. Bro, don't grab my butt cheeks. Anyway, so I have this root beer right here, and I already exploded it, right? But I didn't catch it on camera, so now I want to catch it on camera, and we're actually in get it right now, so I might get in trouble. But to be honest, I don't really care. This is what I did last time. Bro, the wake is ready.
This is very vital.
Bro. Oh, is that root beer?
I thought that was Dr. Pepper.
It wasn't as bad.
Yeah.
Yummy. Yeah.
Like me and you are like probably one of the most anxious people in our like friends. Because some of them are just so rude that they're like no.
Yeah, well, it is.
Like we're the only.
Well, it's so small. Wait, let me compare it. That's small compared to over here.
Bro, that thing's
Yeah, but that's nothing. That's nothing compared to that. I spent like 5 minutes just trying to shake that one up.